Hey everyone, Vitaly here, and in today's video, I'm going to be giving you tips on how to get approved for affiliate programs. And the summary of what I'm going to be talking about basically entails creating some kind of channel online, or perhaps a website or social media page that gets viewers and some sort of traffic, which you can then use when you apply for whatever affiliate program you're interested in, and that's going to increase your chances. But there's actually a lot more benefits to all of this, and the subject of signing up and getting approved to affiliate programs is a bit more nuanced than meets the eye. So that's what I'm going to be talking to you about in this video. Before I do, let me just quickly say that if you are new to my channel, as always, I like to introduce myself. My name is Vitaly, and I do affiliate marketing for a living. Here are some of my stats in at least one of the affiliate programs that I'm involved with. I have other affiliate programs that I am personally signed up with and approved for: Amazon Associates, AvantLink, Commission Junction, Share Sale. There's a bunch of different networks that I am personally approved with and have done business with in the past. So I have a great deal of experience on this subject and in general affiliate marketing, which is what I create a majority of my videos on within this channel. And if you are someone that's watching this that's perhaps new or struggling to affiliate marketing and you need help with building up some kind of website with traffic, a social media channel, whatever the case is, if you need to get that jump start to success, that guidance, that step-by-step guide, I recommend checking out the link in the description of this video, which showcases the #1 program that I recommend for doing just that. It's very beginner friendly. It's free to get started with. It has a lot of success stories, and it got me to where I am in this business today, doing affiliate marketing full time. So check that out after this video. Now, getting back to the subject of getting approved for affiliate programs, the main thing to understand is that there's actually two types of affiliate programs that you're going to want to sign up with potentially. The first one is programs where by just signing up with it, you're already approved. You don't have to go through much of an application process, if any, or wait for some kind of approval and this and that. Once you sign up, you're approved, period. And there's some examples of this kind of stuff. So for example, there is Digistore24, there is ClickBank, which I'm sure you probably have heard of before. These are popular networks. There's also one called the Wealthy Affiliate Program, which is a program that I promote. This is the one where I showed you my stats from. They pay people up to $1,200 in commissions, and they also have training on teaching people making money online. But once you sign up with them, which is actually free, you can start promoting them. But then there's the second type of affiliate program out there where you do have to go through an application process and showcase some sort of website, social media, YouTube page that shows that you actually have some kind of presence online, that you get traffic, visitors, and that the affiliate network would see your site or whatever it is that you reference as a valuable asset to promote their products through. So here's some examples. Commission Junction, which is also known as CJ. I believe Share Sale does require its own application. I'm signed up with it, but it's been a long time, so I'm not sure. It could be immediate sign up and approval, or it could be you have to go through an application process. There's AvantLink. That's at least 3 major affiliate networks that you may want to consider signing up with that do, or in some cases may require that you have an application process to go through. And in the cases of affiliate programs that have an application process, it can be a hit or a miss when it comes to getting approved. Sometimes you may have to sign up more than once, or perhaps apply with your application more than once to get approved. I've had situations where I personally felt that I was more than qualified with the website or whatever it is that I was referencing in my application, and it didn't get approved. And I honestly thought that it was an automated message, so I had to reapply, ask for some customer service help, and that actually did get me approved. But getting to the point of affiliate programs which do require some sort of application process, the odds of you getting approved increases when you have something tangible to show. So for example, if you have a website and that website gets hundreds or thousands of visitors every single month, your application may actually ask you for that. So you're signing up with some kind of affiliate network, and they say, can you give us your website? Can you give us the number of people or hits that come to your website every single month? That's where you can reference these things. And if it's not a 0 and it's actually something that has a lot of visitors, you have a greater chance of getting approved. Same thing if you're doing that with a YouTube channel, because a lot of people do that through YouTube. You can actually reference your YouTube channel in a lot of applications, because the more viewers you get, traffic, the more options or opportunities you have to getting approved to the affiliate network. And same thing with some kind of social media page. Maybe it's a Facebook fan page, maybe it's a Instagram page, a Facebook page, a TikTok page, Pinterest page, whatever the case is. One of these avenues or branches of an online business that you have, as long as it's getting viewers, you have a better better chance of getting approved. Now, what happens if, for example, you don't get approved, but you are more qualified? Well, you do feel that you're very qualified. Well, in that situation, I would recommend you contact the customer service of the affiliate network and let them know, because sometimes they give you automated responses with garbage replies that really make no sense when you're more than qualified for it. So in that situation, you can do that. A plan B to that is you can actually sign up with other networks, because there's certainly no shortage of affiliate networks that are out there. I mean, I gave you at least 6 different examples in this video so far, but let's say that you try to sign up with CJ.com and they don't approve and you want to promote, let's say, outdoorsy products. You can sign up with ShareSale as a plan B or AvantLink as a plan C. You can sign up with multiple networks, but technically only one can sometimes be more than enough to make a full-time income as an affiliate. What I recommend you do as a starting point before you consider signing up with an affiliate network is first choose something that you are personally interested in life. So for example, I love the subject of the outdoors, so naturally I'm going to look for promoting products that are in the outdoor space. So for example, camping gear, hiking shoes, trekking poles, that kind of stuff. And then I'll start looking for affiliate programs that have those products that I can promote. So in that particular case, my first option would be Amazon Associates, which is one of the biggest affiliate networks out there. So I'll start with trying to sign up over there, and then maybe I'll look at other programs that are out there that also have other products that I can promote, perhaps for a better commission. So that's basically the idea behind it. Now, another thing that people don't really talk about is that once you actually have some kind of platform, a website, a social media page, a YouTube channel that has a lot of hits, a lot of visitors, word gets out. And what I mean by that is there are potential advertisers out there that look for affiliates versus you looking for them. And sometimes they'll actually email you and say, hey, we love your website, we love your channel, whatever the case is, we'd love for you to be an affiliate for us. And they'll actually basically qualify themselves to you instead of you qualifying yourselves to them. And that's a great place to be. I've gotten many emails from different affiliate networks, some individual affiliate networks or big time affiliate networks that were saying that kind of stuff to me and giving me free affiliate links. I even had one high ticket program that cost people like $20,000 that I wasn't even a fan of come to me and actually offer me an affiliate link, which I declined because I didn't think the program was worth that much. And I'd personally like to promote stuff that I feel is valuable but also not too costly for the customer, because I try to put the customer first as an affiliate versus how much I can make from that customer, because the truth is I don't believe in promoting overpriced stuff. So that's also something that I recommend you take into consideration. But I'm just showing you what can happen down the line once you start getting approved for affiliate networks, what can happen as your presence online grows. So the last thing that I want to say in regards to this is it's easy to say that, hey, just grow a website to get traffic, or grow a YouTube channel to get traffic, or a social media page to get traffic. But how you actually do that specifically is where the hard work comes into play, especially if you're starting off with something brand new in one of those realms. So let's say, for example, that you have some sort of website, and that website is built on the subject of the outdoors, and it's brand new. You can't exactly put in that website as an application to an affiliate network that requires it, because the website has nothing to show. So if an affiliate network takes a look at your website and sees that it's pretty much blank and not getting any traffic, you're probably not going to get approved. So what I would recommend you start with is making that website first and start writing about topics that you really love. So let's say, again, I love the subject of the outdoors. I'll make a website that has some kind of domain name with the outdoorsy stuff, and I'll start reviewing products that I later on, once I get approved for an affiliate network, will start promoting. But before I do, I'll start writing stuff to promote these things, but I'll link to the actual product stuff itself, which isn't my affiliate link yet because I didn't get approved yet, but that gets the ball rolling. And ultimately down the line, once I get approved, I'll change those links to my affiliate link. So I can write about the best trekking poles. I'll talk about the best trails and so. Best hiking shoes for this, hiking shoes versus trekking poles. Keywords of that nature that really help grow my website, appear more in search engines, get searched more in social media and stuff like that. That's something you can do. And another one that I highly recommend checking out is medium.com, where you can actually write articles and also promote affiliate stuff as well. That might be a faster way for certain people instead of going with their own website option. So that's something I recommend you do. And the same analogy applies to YouTube. I do the same thing there, same thing on social media. Get the ball rolling that way, then apply for your affiliate networks that you're interested in. And don't worry if you don't get approved. That happens very very commonly. There's more than one option out there, and I already explained what a plan B and plan C is, so you can also use those tips as well. So that summarizes everything that I wanted to get across in this video on how to get approved for affiliate networks. Again, not all affiliate networks will require that you go through an application process, but that doesn't mean that it's going to be the most suitable network for you to work with. Remember, start off with a subject that you really like, and then look for affiliate networks that carry products in that subject. That's the starting point that I would go with, but even then, I would recommend you build some kind of presence online. Grow that first, get some traffic going, and then apply for whatever affiliate network is relevant to whatever products you want to promote that you like. So that's everything that I wanted to get across in today's video. If you have any questions, comments, suggestions, maybe your own approach to this topic, I'd love to hear your thoughts below in the comments. But other than that, like I was saying before in the beginning of the video, if a lot of what I said in this video is difficult for you to understand, perhaps you're new or struggling to affiliate marketing, check out the resource below that I'll leave a link to in the description and pinned comment, which showcases the #1 program that I recommend for learning affiliate marketing. It's free to get started with. It's got a lot of success stories, including myself, and it just teaches you about affiliate marketing and building it off something that you really enjoy, and actually provides you with a website and pretty much everything I talked about and more in this video. So thanks a lot for watching, and I'll see you all in the next video. Take care, everyone.